Like, look at this thing. It's just spinning like a mother. Hey, did you guys see that snake? It was gigantic. I was pointing it out. Hey, come up here and race me, man. It's a flat, it's like flat all the way down.
Big hill. Yeah.
You trying to race me real quick? Sure, hell yeah, let's do it, come on. All right, you ready?
Straight line race?
Yeah, hey, let me get the jump though, because you're gonna dust me.
All right.
You ready? Damn, I'm dusting him. How the f is that even possible? How is that even possible? Oh shit. How is that even possible? Not bad.
Get the jump.
Look at that, the Wagenborg. I was trying to race you up there. I didn't think you were coming back down.
Yeah, I gave him the jump. He got me. Man, that's pretty impressive for
200 feet to 6 feet.
Dude, I beat him by like 4 bikes. How much did I have you by?
Oh, good bit.
It was a good bit.
4 bike lengths for sure.
Come up there and race me real quick, dude. Only take a minute. Yeah, maybe you just ever so slightly let off the gas. That was really good. That was perfect. Yeah, this bike just doesn't have the suspension pop you really need, but Hey, do a loop with me real quick, brother.
Okay.
This DR, man, is going to be so amazing once I upgrade the suspension, give it a little bit more power, dude.
Hey, how you doing? I know you're not doing the best, but I'm here, I'll always be here. Tell me if you need me and call me if you're feeling alone, 'cause I'm here, I'm always right here. Tell me that